What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got a day trading recap. Check it out. Well, guys, I'm guessing you're looking at the background. You've noticed that the water is clear, that the light is back on, and you're probably noticing that box wherever that box, damn it. The box back there on the floor, you're probably noticing that and you're like, wow, this guy's on YouTube making videos and he has a box out there in the middle of the floor looking all weird and nasty. Well, that box is actually some corals that arrived from my tank. So like you've known, I haven't put any corals in a minute, but I've just started putting some corals in that tank and some life in there. So before we move on with the recap, I'm going to show you them real quick. So come on over. All right, guys. So there we go. Here are some of the corals that arrived. These are called zoanthans, or they're a sort of polyp. They're really, really cool looking. I'm guessing with the light, some of these aren't going to show too well. But these green ones are real nice. I might change the light here in a second. And maybe you can see them a little bit better. There we go. Oh, I think you're seeing them just fine there. Really cool looking colors. Really, I like them a lot. These, for some reason, aren't showing up down here. They're kind of green and pink. Like these guys that are green over here. We got some red mushrooms right here. We got some more corals right over here. These don't look like they're making it, so I will have to contact the seller about that. Then we got back there some... Where are they? There they are. Some green star polyps. And that's roughly about it, guys. Got a few pieces. A few pieces. Not a whole lot. Just a few pieces to start. Just a few little pieces to get the ball rolling. But the tank's coming out really nice. Really nice. And sorry about the color there. I'll try to get you a picture of it without that, super blue hint. I put that blue hint there so that I could make these colors pop out a little bit more for the video. Here it is without the blue tint. So now you can see a little bit more. Not too much more, a little bit. But it's coming out real nice. Well, guys, so today I thought we were going to get some small cap action since yesterday small caps ended up being kind of hot. APRN was an absolute monster and came in looking at those to start my day actually versus the futures. And I was looking at IFMK here. I thought we were going to hold this 230 area on the pullback, but nope. So far, I mean, it's holding up. It still could make a move, but for now, definitely staying away from it. Also was watching APRN, of course. But APRN, opened up, made a push, got halted, a bigger push. But then, I mean, downhill from there, downhill. Look, guys, we're talking about, high day of almost 29 bucks, and we're trading right now at $11 and change. And I think we're halted now to the upside from that bounce off of that massive gap down from this halt. So no trades for me on that one. Berg, I missed out on Berg. I was getting an order ready to buy right in here. And I completely just got sidetracked, starting to look at futures at that time. And really missed out because this would have been a real nice win. Real nice win right here. It hurts honestly to miss out on that one because I really wanted to get a piece of that Berg, but nothing afterwards. As you can see, halts on the way down. Looks like it's halted right now, as a matter of fact. Just a lot of nothingness as far as a lot of these small caps go. Look, same action, right? Open. It looks a lot like APRN, except it's not down at 11 bucks. Opened, pushed, halted, then gap down, and now it's just chopping around. SPY, on the other hand, well, not soy. SPY has made a real nice red to green move here, and We're going to see what the overall market wants to do. Then we also had BA, Boeing. I actually added some more Boeing today to my long term down here, and I actually added some up here as well. But I tried to get short Boeing via some puts right at the open and missed out big time. I put out a couple orders out, but just no fills on puts. But there were 95 strikes, tomorrow expiration. Yeah, tomorrow expiration. But no dice. No dice. It would have been a nice little win. Would have been a nice little win for sure. Would have caught at least a couple dollars per contract on those. After that, nothing. Like here are my order statuses. These are my long-term buys. And that was it. That was it for me there. But let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Oh, well, now you see what I made already. I guess the video's over. Home run day for me, $500. Not going to complain about that. This is between the session of futures trading. So yesterday in after hours, I took a trade. And then today in the morning, I took 2 trades. And, between all 3 trades totaled up $500. So I'm really happy with that. I'll take it. It's been the best I've been able to do in a couple days now. Let me move this, make it a little smaller, put it up here. So I was only able to record 1 trade out of 2 trades for today. I was only able to record the 1 trade here because the second one, we're going to go over it, but it was a little bit too fast. And it's just trading these futures, I'm in and out so quick that it's so hard to, click the record button. And then I don't want to be recording, my screen for 2 hours, 3 hours, and then have to fiddle with it, trying to find the trades within that 2-3 hours of recording to then edit it. It's just going to take way too long, way too much time. So I was able to nab this one. It was a little bit slower of a play. See, what happened here was we sold off right out of the open, boom, and we bounced off of this 2305 area. I was looking to get long at 2390, and I'll show you why. Here is the, maybe I can move myself up there. Here's the chart. Here's the 15-minute chart. And you see this 2290 area here was support here, 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 and in this area. So I was thinking, see if a test of 2290, we hold support, I'll get long there, super tight risk. But we didn't make it all the way down there. We made it all the way down to 2305 right here. And we bounced off of that area, which was like a smaller support area, but I guess that's all it needed today. And it went real hard off of that area. And missed out on grabbing that there. So what I did was I waited for this 2320 area to break. It was resistance here. So I waited for it to break. Once it broke, I knew my line was there, 2320. I jumped in and I was watching for it to hold. I added a second contract and I thought we might get a quick push, like 1 or 2 bars to 2335, and this would have been a monstrous win. But maybe I should have been a little bit more patient. I don't know. I probably should have. Right there, I'm in long 2320. That's my average price on that first contract. And I'm looking to add a second contract. And I added right there. So now my cost basis is 2321.62. I really should have just held on to both contracts at this point, I think, and put a hard stop in place. But see, we kind of get stuffed there at 2325. We kind of just get stuck. See? So I take one contract off right there and book a nice profit because I booked that one. I was up like 2.25 points. So I book a nice little profit there on that one. And I hold on to this second one. I say, okay, I'm going to hold on to the second one. Stop, kind of break even-ish. See if this one gets to push up to, at least 23.30. That'll be a real nice take profit there. But we start to kind of take it back there. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to get out of the way. Big mistake on my part because we pushed from there. I'll show you the chart. Let's see here. We hold on to that area. Where is it? 2320 right here. And then just push straight off of it. And look at that monstrous move. And my second trade was a short right in here at 2363 area. Got short there and covered on the drop. On the retest, I missed this entry here. So on this retest, I got short, covered on the drop, and that was it. Real nice, take profit there and $500 in the bank. So I'm happy with that. I was really looking to see maybe getting short up here on this retest double top, but yesterday wasn't the greatest day. Monday wasn't the greatest day, and Friday wasn't the greatest day. So 3 days of not really solid trading. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna be conservative. I'm gonna take this profit here, and I'm gonna hold on to it. And tonight or tomorrow is another day, and I'm gonna go back to shopping. And I went and bought some more Boeing and Disney. So I'm really happy with those purchases there. And that's pretty much it for me, guys. I'm doing a lot of stock clearance shopping, and I'm going to conserve this profit here and call it a day for now. Maybe I'll come back at night, do some nighttime futures trading, if not tomorrow, and I'm going to go ahead and play it safe. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.